This short Pranayama breathwork practice is designed to support a dysregulated nervous system or busy brain to help you find a sense of calm when you need it most. Find a comfortable seat, maybe elevating your hips sitting on the edge of a blanket or cushion. Lengthen up through the crown of your head to sit up taller, and close your eyes if that feels safe for you. Notice how you're feeling in this moment without judgment. Just acknowledge any emotions or sensations that are present. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale completely. And continue long, deep breathing while I explain our first breathwork exercise, humming bee breath. You'll place your fingers on your head and insert your thumbs into your ears to plug them, so to block out external sound. With your mouth closed, you'll inhale deeply through your nose, and your exhale is a long hum. You'll make the hum as long as you can and notice the vibration that this creates inside your head. We'll repeat this exercise 3 times, and as you hum on the exhale, really immerse yourself in that vibration. It's like your own personal sound bath, vibrating the glands in your brain and stimulating the vagus nerve, which is connected to the calming parasympathetic nervous system. And when you've finished your 3 rounds, lower your hands down to your lap and bathe in the resonance of the vibration that you created. Take your time and begin when you're ready. Backs of hands rest on the knees, palms face up. And just notice if your energy has shifted. Option to press tip of your thumb to the tip of the index finger, Gyan Mudra. And we'll move into box breathing. Breathing in for a count of 4, hold, suspending the breath for a count of 4 at the top of the inhale, breathe out for 4, and then hold the breath out for 4. If holding the breath is uncomfortable for you for any reason, you can skip the breath holds. I'll begin counting a few rounds, and then I'll leave you to continue on your own. Release the air from your lungs to begin, and then breathe in. 2, 3, 4, pause, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, and pause, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, and pause, soften your face as you hold. Out, 2, 3, 4, and pause, See if you can soften your shoulders away from your ears. In, 2, 3, 4, and pause, continuing now on your own. Releasing the count and the holds, return to a natural breath. Our next technique, Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Raise your right hand and place the pads of your index and middle finger to the third eye space between your eyebrows. You'll use your right thumb and your right ring finger to alternately close the right and the left nostrils to isolate the breath to one nostril at a time. To begin, exhale completely, and at the bottom of the breath, close the right nostril with your thumb and slowly breathe in through left side. Pause at the top, close left side with ring finger, release thumb, and exhale through right side. Breathe in through right side. Pause at the top and switch, close right, release breath through left. That's one full round. Repeat in left. Pause. Out right. In right. Switch, out left. Keep going now on your own, slow breaths. An excellent practice for balancing the nervous system. And just completing the round that you're on, releasing your hands down to the knees. And now rub your palms together vigorously, stimulating nerve endings and nadis in the hands, generating a bit of heat. And then place both palms stacked over your heart center. Long, deep breathing here. Visualize a warm, protective, golden light surrounding your body like a bubble, cocooning you in its healing embrace. Bring your palms to touch in front of the heart, Anjali Mudra, and bow forward to close your practice. Come back to these pranayama exercises anytime you feel overstimulated, overwhelmed, or just in need of some nurturing self-care. Take care.